Hey there, it's Sean Hansen with a quick tutorial to start your Monday. I'm going to be using my Swappables kit number 1, Choose Joy, to create a Monday layout for a good start to my week. So I'm going to show you what we're going to create, and then I'm going to create it for you. I'm going to create this A Great Day Awaits layout, this nice single page spread, and I'm going to get right to it and go to my Swappables layout and start. And you can keep your eye on the upper left-hand corner and see how we progress. So I'm going to start with some word art. I'm in the design elements. This is area 2. And I want to grab A Great Day Awaits in black and put it down. Then I'm going to put a table into area 1. So I'm going to go back up to the design areas, get into area 1, and grab this table with the header, and also put in a solid box. This isn't going to look like anything until I add some color, but that's okay. Next, I'm going to grab a graphic. And these are here in graphics. This is area 2. And I want that little bird. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the background image so that those boxes aren't showing, and then I'm going to label some things. This is going to be table left. And this is going to be box right. And bottom bird. Okay, let's do some coloring here. Go up to picture format. And I'm going to grab this green. And I'm going to do the same here with our box. And then I'm going to turn this, what appears to be nothing, into something. And play around with the colors here, go a little darker. And I want to bring in some text embellishments. So I'm going to go up to Insert, and then Picture from File. And back in my design elements, I'm going to start with my Monday. I want it to be caps and black. Actually, I'm going to do white. I'm going to do white. White will look really good here. So let's go caps and white, which will appear to be nothing until I drag it over. And I'm just bumping it up with my arrow keys on my keyboard. I'm going to copy and paste that and put it over here. And then I'm going to insert. This time I want to get some headings. So I'm going to grab To Do, and I want it to be in caps and white again. And I'm just going to bump that over. So I'm just combining two text elements that are part of the kit. And I'm going to insert notes. And I want to go uppercase and white. And bring that over here. All right, so that's the basic layout. I'm going to add a background, so I'll insert one more thing here, and then I want to play around with some of the textures. Backgrounds. I'm going to grab this one. And once again, I'm going to put in some names here. We'll call this background. This is notes. This is to do. This is Monday right. And this is Monday left. And I'm just going to pull some things into the order in which they appear here. So notes and Monday right are together, and to do and Monday left. Whoops. Pull those on top. And then table left and table right, and the bottom bird, and the background. So let's play around with this background here for a minute. And I'm going to go ahead and make it a little more transparent. And I think I want to recolor this. I think I'm going to make it purple. And now I'm going to throw in some artistic effects here. I'm going to do some mosaic bubbles. And you'll see down below here, if I undo that and then redo, keep your eyes here. It's a very subtle change, but it's kind of cool. And I want to do the same thing up here. I'm going to grab the mosaic bubbles. And I'm going to do that to the table. And over here on this box, the mosaic bubbles aren't really all that cool. They just make it look darker. So instead, I'm going to grab this film grain. That's pretty cool. And with the bird, I actually decided I didn't like the mosaic bubbles, but this watercolor sponge turned out pretty cool. I like that. Now I've got a really cool layout that I can use, and I'm actually going to drop this onto my iPad. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to save this as a PDF. Now I'm going to get rid of the slide that I started with, so it's just a single slide. And then I'm going to go up to File and Export. And I'll call this Monday Morning To Do Demo and export it to my desktop. And once that's done, I'm going to open up my Finder window on my Mac. I'm using AirDrop. This is a nice way to get things from my Mac to my iPad. And once I see that they've made a connection, I'm just going to come up here and drop this. And let me now switch to using my iPad. Then I'm going to import. Once I see that pop up, I'll go ahead and import. And now I can come over here and start working on some to-dos. And I don't want to forget that today I need to close the snowball sale. And then I just kind of want to play around and fancy pants this up a little bit here. And there's a fast, easy way to create a daily spread with your Swappables kit. Move it over onto your digital device and get planning. My name is Sean Hansen. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please check out the links below for more information about what you've seen here and where you can get more tutorials.